barely know how to use this phone, but we're gonna see what I can do. Hey guys, it's me. So today I was about to edit my video that's going up on Friday, or going up today, but this video is not going up today, so last Friday. Anyways, I was about to edit that, but then I checked my mail and I saw that I had my phone case came in the mail. So I ordered from Casetify and we're gonna check it out. As some of you may know, in my update video, my old phone just stopped working, which I got it to work because I was told by a very smart man to order like this piece that you can hook your mouse up to your phone, because it was just my touchscreen wasn't working. So I got my stuff off of there. Pretty much I still have to get some of my photos, but it takes a while to do that. But anyways, I decided to finally switch to Apple. Don't know if I'm going to stay with Apple with my next phone, but yeah, I got a iPhone Pro 12 Pro Max, something like that, and that order something. So yeah, barely know how to use this phone, but we're gonna see what I can do. Right now it's in this clear case because I was not about to walk around with it in a non-clear case. I'm pretty sure I ordered this phone case probably like Sunday or Monday. I don't really remember. Let me pull up my order actually. Hold on. Let's see. It's like even the mail is set up differently. I guess I'll just... Okay, so my order confirmation was on the 22nd of July. Don't know what day that was. Today is the 30th. So between me ordering it and me getting it, minus 2 days for the weekend, it was 6 days, right? If I'm counting the day that I ordered it on, it was 6 days, I think. Math is not my thing right now. So yeah. Oh, I should tell you what I got as well. So I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max Ultra Impact case, pink because the border is pink, and then it's in a peach like design, and it was, yeah, after promo code it was $54.40 because it was on sale already, and then I put a promo code on top of that. So yes, even how you exit out of tabs is different. Like everything is different. But anyways, so let's open this up. I don't know why I thought something else would be in there. Okay, here's the box. It sounds like that. Oh, there's like a tab pull. That's kind of cool. Now what? Like, baby. Okay. I feel like I could have pulled that out without the tab pull, but that's fine. Oh. Hello, this box is made from plants, not plastics. Recycle me after opening. Sure thing, my guy. Sure thing. Okay. Pull this out. And there's other stuff in here. What is... That's a good look. Casetify. Casetify card. Another Casetify card. What is this? Don't know. I'll put it over there. Oh, I don't know if I said this already, but I have never ordered from Casetify, so I don't know what's going on. So let's open this. There's like a little white pouch. Oh, it's like a cleaner. which I really like, because sometimes I'll use like hand sanitizer and I'll pat my hands and then I'll pat all over my phone, because dirty phone is not my thing. It's not my thing. Please clean your phones, please, please. So they gave me 6 phone sanitizer wipes, and I'm gonna keep those in my tech drawer, and I'll probably keep, no, let me keep 1 for my purse and then 2 in my tech drawer. I'm gonna order more of those off Amazon. I didn't know that they made one just for like phones, not just for phones, but like more for tech. So let's take this out. You guys are singing before I am. Okay, I see the inside. Ooh, this room is so cute. It's like, it's not like a cool tone pink. It's like a, okay. So the rim, it's like a, it's gonna be a little bit more blue on the camera because it's light, but just take out the little bit of added blue. It's so nice. Then the front, oh, it's so cute. The only thing I will say is that I don't like that this is black, and then I don't like the person who designed it signature like right here, because you can't even put a pop socket on that. I would prefer if it was like right here or something more down at the bottom, but it's whatever. So let's take my phone out of this clear case, but save it, because you never know when you'll need a clear case, or just a backup case, I guess. And this was from Amazon. This also came with this came with the protectors, the case protectors. I think this is the box actually. It came in this box, and it comes with the glass on the top. You know what I'm trying to say? The glass screen protector. It came with like 2 of those, but I already had one from when I got my phone. I gotta reorganize that drawer. So let's put this one on. Oh, this is the phone, by the way. It's like tan. I really like the, I wanted like the mint one, but apparently the bigger ones don't come in the mint, or at least they didn't have them. And I didn't want gold because I thought it was gonna be like a yellow gold, kind of like more yellow than this, but like for a phone I don't want that. But it's not. It's like, this is like tan, and then this is like a, it's a little bit of a yellow, but it's a very soft, and I really like that. So that's what I got. Anyways, so let's put her in. Oh, that's the right fit. Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Is there like a specific way you're supposed to put these in here, or? Okay, I heard it click. That's one side. Okay, there it goes. Just gonna really shove it in there. Okay, I'm liking these clicks. Lets me know it's nice and secure. Off. It's so cute, guys. Look at it, it's so cute, guys. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, you got the pink edges. It's just so cute. I really like it. Again, why does it need to be black? Why does this need to be black? I don't know. It kind of throws it off just a little bit, but overall it's so cute. And then with my touchscreen, like, come on. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I really like that. Now we're gonna do a Casetify test. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Girl, I ain't got no YouTube money. I don't have YouTube endorsements. I don't have time for that. No, we're gonna do it without the phone in the case. So yeah, but anyway, I really like this case so far. It's really snug, and it does have the upper lip. I guess that's what it's called. The like part that, so if it hits, it's not gonna hit your phone. So yeah, I always wonder if it like hits like some way where it hits like this, your phone gone. But you know, and I really like how it has these extra bumpers. Last night I dropped my phone on my face like this, and that other phone case is just the like the solid hard plastic all around, and I actually hurted. It shit hurted. But anyways, as for looks, I give this a 9 out of 10 because again, this is ugly as hell, this black thing. But I really love this color pink, and just like, it's so nice. It's so nice. Look at her. Look at her. So yeah, my Casetify review is gonna be, I'll give it an 8 out of 10 for right now because I don't know how it does with actual drops. So I'll give it an 8 out of 10. It shipped really fast. It said 4 to 13 business day shipping, and it came in like less than that. Well, in the time period, but more towards the faster end. The site was really easy to use. The case is so cute. It fits perfectly. It's so cute. So I give it an 8 out of 10. And hopefully with the ultra impact thing, it'll actually be ultra impact, and my stuff won't be breaking and crack-a-lacking like snap crackle pop. So yeah, that was my little mini review of Casetify, and I will see you guys next video.